How can you create content using artificial intelligence and earn great income? Did you know that a YouTube channel with 1.09 million subscribers just by uploading 152 videos? Yes, you heard right. And the interesting thing is that all this success has been achieved only with the use of artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create great content that not only gets millions of views, but also earns you a lot of money. So if you want to shine in the world of social media like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, don't miss the continuation of this article. Why are content made with artificial intelligence successful? This YouTube channel we talked about has over 31 million views for one particular video so far. You may ask yourself, how is this possible? The answer is simple: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence allows you to produce content that generates 6 times more views and profits than regular content. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can create your content in a way that exactly matches the taste and needs of your audience. This means that every time you upload a video, you have a higher chance of getting noticed and making money. How to produce content with artificial intelligence? You might think that creating content with AI is complicated, but it's not. Today, we want to show you how you can easily generate your own content using a custom website. This website meets all your needs for professional content production. Using this website, you can create image, text, and even video content, and share them on all social platforms. This means you can publish a single content on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and other social networks, and earn money from each. Monetization with content created by artificial intelligence. As we mentioned before, this YouTube channel has been able to achieve an income of more than $2.7 million per year with the help of artificial intelligence. But the interesting thing is that you too can achieve such success. All you have to do is follow the steps that we will teach you in this article. Using the tools available on this website, you can create your content in such a way that it will quickly become popular among your audience and get millions of views. Remember, every video is an opportunity to make more money. Get started and make money. So if you are ready to use the world of artificial intelligence to create interesting content and earn money, start now. Be sure that by following this guide and using the right tools, you too can achieve a similar income. To make professional videos, just log into ChatGPT and edit your command. For example, I told ChatGPT that, write me a prompt in English for an artificial intelligence site that makes videos for YouTube and TikTok. I want to make a video story about the courage of a child named Tom. I want the images to be identical and professional with 4K quality. Then ChatGPT automatically started preparing my request. In this way, you can easily create professional 4K quality videos for YouTube and TikTok using artificial intelligence. How to make a professional video using Motion.com? In today's world, high quality and engaging videos play a key role in conveying messages, marketing, and even entertainment. But making a professional video has always been a big challenge, especially for people who don't have much experience in video editing. Fortunately, Motion.com has turned this challenge into a simple and engaging process using advanced artificial intelligence. In this article, we will show you how, using this site, you can produce professional videos without the need for complex skills and in the shortest possible time. Log into the site and register. The first step to get started is to go to Motion.com and register. The process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. Just go to the site and click on the Sign Up option. You can create an account using your Gmail account. This step will introduce you to the world of endless possibilities of this site. By creating an account, you will have access to tools and features that help you create high-quality and engaging videos. Signing up at Motion.com means starting a new journey in the world of content creation. The beginning of the first video. After registering and logging into the site, it's time to make your first video. At this point, Motion.com allows you to quickly create a new project. One of the prominent features of this site is the use of artificial intelligence for video production. You can start the video generation process by clicking the Generate button. Just enter your topic or request and leave the rest to Motion. The site's artificial intelligence automatically produces a high-quality video tailored to your needs. Even if you don't have a specific idea for your video, Motion will help you choose the best theme and produce a professional video by offering suggestions. Choosing a video style and theme. One of the great features of Motion.com is the variety of video styles. This site allows you to choose one of several video styles based on your needs and tastes. For example, if you plan to produce a children's story, you can use a cartoon style. Using its artificial intelligence, Motion automatically creates characters and elements related to your story. This feature allows you to create a video that perfectly matches your taste and needs without the need for special technical knowledge. You can choose from a variety of styles, from explainer videos to promotional videos, whichever suits your content, and use the site's tools to produce high-quality videos. Editing and final settings of the video. After choosing the style and theme of your video, it's time to enter the text and story. Using artificial intelligence technology, Motion.com turns your text and story into a professional video. At this point, you have full control over the details of the video. You can easily enter the texts you want, and the site will carefully convert them into a video. If you are not satisfied with the result, don't worry. Motion allows you to recreate your video or make necessary changes. The process is very simple and allows you to easily make changes until you get the desired result. Publish video on different platforms. Once your video is ready, you can easily publish it to different platforms. Motion allows you to publish the produced videos on various sites like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other social platforms. This site automatically makes the necessary settings for each platform so that your video has the best quality. Publishing videos on multiple platforms allows you to deliver your content to a larger audience and get more views. This feature makes Motion a powerful tool for creating and publishing content. Additional tools and advanced settings. In addition to its basic features, Motion.com has also provided advanced tools for users. You can use these tools to make finer adjustments and improve your videos. Among these tools, we can mention the possibility of adding visual effects, music, animated texts, etc. These features give you the power to take your videos to a new level of professionalism. If you are a professional user looking for more sophisticated tools to edit your videos, Motion will satisfy all your needs. From color settings to adding custom subtitles, all these features will be available to you using ready-made templates. Another feature of Motion.com is the provision of ready-made templates. This site provides users with a large number of pre-designed templates that help you create your video faster and without having to design from scratch. You can customize these templates according to your needs and prepare a professional video in no time. This feature is especially useful for those who are short on time or looking for a quick way to produce high-quality videos. Ready-made Motion templates are designed based on different themes and allow you to easily customize and use your video. The final stages of video production. Once you've finished editing and making the final adjustments, it's time to save your video and get it ready to publish. Motion allows you to save the finished video in high quality and publish it on any platform you want. This site also offers options to save the video in different formats that you can choose according to your needs. These final stages of video production ensure that your video is ready for release in the highest possible quality. Earn money from production videos. One of the most attractive features of Motion.com is the ability to monetize the videos produced. This site allows you to publish your videos on different platforms and earn money from them. Using Motion, you can produce attractive and high-quality videos that attract a large audience and generate income through them. This site helps you produce long and engaging videos that you can publish on YouTube or other platforms and earn money from their views. Motion's monetization features make it a powerful tool for content creators looking for a way to monetize their video content.